Hi all and welcome to this new Crypto Bros video, on this occasion presenting Astronaut Game Miner, whose takeoff starts today 28th at 6 a.m. UTC time zone, so save the date. Let's explain this project. You can find all the related links down below this video, and don't forget that we don't give any financial advice, so please do your own researches always before investing on this project or others. Well, as they mentioned here, Astronaut Game is a fork of BUSD Crops Farmer, which is one of the projects that we explained a couple of videos ago. Basically, in the same vein, this project allows players to send astronauts to outer space to harvest up to a 8% daily BNB rewards. That is more than 2,900 APR daily, and an extra 13% through referral bonus that we will explain later. Its contract has been fully verified and audited by Cybercrime Shield, so you can find here the smart contract audit report, and it works on the Binance Smart Chain network, as we can see here. So first of all, it is very important you change your network in your MetaMask or your Trust wallet to the BSC one to operate through it. It will be very easy and safe since there is no particular token. We just need to have these BNBs, which we can previously buy in other platforms such as Binance. And basically with these BNBs, we just have to click here in order to hire astronauts, that is to start earning passive rewards. And the daily percentage that we can earn, which is up to an 8%, depends on our actions, since we can sell stardust, that is the same that withdrawing, or rehire our earnings, that is compounding to gain more astronauts. Astronaut Game is a locked rewards pool. That means that we will get our initial investment through the time, concretely in less than 2 weeks, and we can keep on receiving passive incomes later. This type of contracts work very well when the community follows the 6-to-1 strategy. This means that we can compound or rehire, which is the same our earnings of 6 days, and then withdraw or sell stardust, which is the same our earnings of 1 day. But there is a 5% developers fees taken upon all deposit and withdrawals, so we have to take into account it when following our strategy. And then this is very important to highlight, the 3% of the developers fees is intended for supporting the TVL, the total value locked of the previous project, that is Rocket Game. Besides, we can earn up to a 13% of commission with 3 levels deep if we have unlocked these levels with the necessary minimum deposit. Level 1 with an 8% extra is unlocked with a minimum deposit of 0.1 BNB. Level 2 with an extra 3% is unlocked with a minimum deposit of 0.5 BNB. And finally, level 3 with an extra 2% is unlocked with a minimum deposit of 1 BNB. If we haven't unlocked these levels, the commission of the commission deposit remains in the verified smart contract for all players. If it is not possible it is not possible to receive the commission afterwards, and the referral rewards will be sent directly to our wallets when someone deposits using our referral link that will appear here once that we connect our wallet. And you can find ours down below the video, so feel free to use it. Moreover, there is a giveaway where you can earn extra money here, and it lasts 3 more days. And basically, you just have to follow all the steps in this screen to participate on it. Basically, you just have to join their Telegram, follow them on Twitter, and input your wallet address to receive your prize if you are the lucky winner. Finally, you have to invest at least 0.1 BNB what the project is launched. Here you have to complete all your data, and here are the enter giveaways: Twitter follow, Telegram join channel, wallet address, and also the Telegram join announcement channel. Okay, so well, if we go back to this main website, it is also important to clarify these points. Basically, to ensure the sustainability and longevity of this project, users must compound at least 3 times before they can withdraw, and it can be done once every 12 hours. So the compounding is once every 12 hours. If a player decides not to compound, the player will be charged with a 60% feedback task that will remain part of the contract, a 40% feedback task if there is one compound, and a 20% if there are 2 compounds. If there are 3 or more, this feedback task is 0. And to further encourage the community to rehire, that is to compound, there will be an additional 2.5 bonus for each compound action, which can stack up to a 25% for 10 consecutive times, or 5 times, or 5 days. By doing so, this will ensure the long-term potential profit of every investor. Besides, this project has several anti-dumping and anti-whale measures in place to ensure the longevity of the project, again, such as maximum deposits, anti-bot launch, as well as a cool down time for withdrawals, which is very important. Basically, this cool down time is the amount of time one has to wait before being able to make another withdrawal, and in this case is 4 hours. Okay, and essentially that's all. Stay tuned for the launch. Repeat to say the date at 6 a.m. UTC time zone, and see you in the next video. Thanks.